How to replace an old electrical power outlet, part 1. Now, there may be many reasons why you may want to replace an outlet in your property. It could be burnt or damaged, or you just like to replace it with a tamper-resistant one instead. There are many options to choose from if you want to replace your existing outlet with a brand new one. You can choose from colors to match the room you're working in, or a configuration to suit your particular needs. For today's example, we will be using a standard outlet. Go to your fuse box or breaker panel and switch off the breaker for the circuit you're working on. Remove any devices that are plugged in. Then take off the faceplate with a flat screwdriver. Give it a tap if the wall paint is holding it in place. Before you open the screws holding the device in place, check for power. If there is no power, then remove the old device. At this point, you would want to check again just to verify that there is no power on the wires. Once you have successfully removed the old receptacle, it's time to prepare the wires for the new device.